going to hit up the mall. We want to go to Urban Necessities. It's a shoe store. We watch the guy all the time, so we want to go. Jay's. That's the guy that owns its name. And we're probably gonna shop around. We're gonna eat, and yeah, get our day started. Day 2.
All right, they got a bunch of stores. It's pretty cool. It's not some I'd shop or buy, but it's a change of atmosphere. Everything's really nice. I'm just ready for the food court. Babe one. There you go. Alright, one store is why we came to this mall, Urban Necessities. Check it out. I think I'm in heaven. There's all these Yeezys. Grab some different ones.
I like these.
Calabasas.
These are the ones I wanted.
It's pretty tight. You just pull up the camera.
These are looking.
Well, they probably have other ones in inventory.
Oh yeah, let's scan them.
Yeah. You just take a picture on the iPhone and it pulls up the site.
4, 5. Discoloration. Dang, look, those are cheap because they're discoloration.
Yeah.
That's fucking tight.
That's pretty tight. You can pull them up so quick. Man, I've never felt a pair of Yeezys before.
Their skin. Let's show them. You just touch it. It brings up all the info. Dope.
$2,000?
Yeah.
Oh my god. That's wild. You want the Calabasas?
These are the ones I want.
Yeah? Nah, I need the all blacks. Alright, some of the Yeezys are like $2,000. There's a bunch of Supreme stuff. I just wanted a hat. Oh, the little bike. It's tight. There's a lot of stuff in here. Definitely check it out. Hypebeast gear. That's what you want. Nothing I can afford. But it's still dope. I like it. Tacos, Mexican tacos, some Chinese food, some Greek food. Alright, so this is Ulpa of Greece. I've always wanted to try gyros. We got these shrimp skewers. I'm already down one because of Kara. I got this gyro. I don't know, it's meat, lamb.
I'm wanting to try it.
I know.
I just got a chicken bowl.
Yeah, she got Sukihana. I got Ulpa of Greece. This
see how it is.
All right, I gotta chime in. The gyro, I'm shocked. I don't know. I should have been trying it. It has this little cream sauce. They fully loaded it. It has jalapenos, tomatoes, lettuce. It's really, really good. The bread is soft, crispy, toasty. Babe loves her little dumplings over there. Yeah, gyros. Do them.